Hi, buddies, welcome to Arvionity. Global politics is heating up again. The United States is calling for punitive tariffs on countries buying Russian oil, with India and China right at the center of this storm. Washington claims this will cut off Moscow's war funds, but the contradictions in America's own policies are raising eyebrows across the world. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has doubled down, urging the G7 to impose tariffs on nations trading with Russia. The goal to slash Russia's oil revenues and force an end to the Ukraine war. But here's the twist. While China remains the largest buyer of Russian oil, India too is being singled out. The United States argues that by purchasing Russian oil, both India and China are indirectly supporting Putin's war machine. The G7 nations Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, UK, and the US have expressed willingness to explore options to stop the war. But the exact measures remain uncertain. While Washington pushes for steep tariffs, Europe still depends heavily on Russian energy. That makes unity much harder than it sounds. And this is where America's policy looks like a blow hot, blow cold strategy. On one side, President Donald Trump showers praise on Prime Minister Modi, calling India a key partner and a close ally. On the other side, his administration is pressuring India with harsh economic measures for continuing trade with Russia. Meanwhile, European countries, who also import large amounts of Russian oil and gas, face less public criticism compared to India and China. So the question is, why the double standards? Despite the pressure, India's trade with G7 countries, including the US, is actually growing stronger. This shows the complex web of interdependence. America needs India as a strategic partner against China, but also wants India to fall in line on sanctions. And that balance is proving to be one of the biggest geopolitical challenges today. In the end, this isn't just about oil or tariffs. It's about how far the United States can push its allies, how much pressure the G7 can sustain, and whether global powers will unite or fracture in the face of Russia's war. India is caught between friendship with the West and strategic energy security with Russia. China continues to be the largest buyer. And Europe? Still deeply tied to Russian gas. The contradictions are clear, and the world is watching. So, what do you think? Is America's tariff push a smart move to end the war, or will it end up backfiring on global trade and diplomacy? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arvion for more updates on world politics. Thank you for watching Arvion.